Okay, look at the tongue. Look at the tongue licking. Look at the tongue. Oh, he got his arm around the back side of the tree. Look. Look, he got his arm around the back side of the tree. Licking, just licking.
He's big.
He's a good bear. Oh, please look at the bird. You see him look at the bird?
Mm-hmm.
The bird wants some jelly. Get out of here, boy. Look at him. Look, see his paw around the tree? That's an awesome shot right there. Get in a roll. Come on, I think you're going to roll. I'm going to roll in the mud. There you go. Come on, Brayden.
A little bit.
Come on, big guy. Well, there's the tongue guy. Look up.
Jim, throw a piece of bread out.
Last night I had it rigged up in there over there.
Perfect. Good shot.
If he comes out.
Is he? Can't tell coming through,
Yeah, I don't
looking
think
through
he
this TV or this camera.
Ooh, that one broke the bird right apart.
That's good. Wasted our bread. Won't have anything to eat.
Yeah, it's that jam.
Yeah, look at him lipping.
I gotta shut this off till he comes over to the bread.